magic we use, the better the flying gets. I think the poop is non-optional, in fact. Oh,
hey, a poop a day keeps the madness away. A poop. That would have been. Yes! That would have been so good. Not. Yep, okay. Jamal on the side.
Row right.
What's on bridge? Find a rock. Alright. I think he's got some. Oh, you see one? Oh, he's running. Chinese, dude. They're Chinese copies. Kill the bomb, man. What fucking... Oh, God. He's going for a fucking tank, dumbass. Wow.
One more dozen in. Nice work. Oh my god. Oh my.
He's close. Allahu Akbar. What history?
Good shit.
This helicopter was promised to me 2,000 years ago. This helicopter was promised to me 2,000 years ago.
Of course
You don't understand, Graham. You don't understand. Graham. Sir, you are not included in the #1 skeet shooter compilation. I am...
Here we go, we're getting this heli right below us.
You see my friend?
You're from New Delhi?
He doesn't know.
Hold up. I'm gonna get right above his ass. Hours now. Out of 900 hours, I guarantee you, I have not spent more than 15 hours on the ground. You know, doing anything.
Nah, that's crazy. But me and Jamal had this thing where, like... Oh, damn, alright.
Go ahead.
But yeah, me and Jamal had this fucking thing where, like... Jamal's on the side and I drive, and, you know, he fucking shoots rockets and shit. I find it so fucking fun.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we do that.
I mean, the bit's just dying off recently, so all my homies don't play anymore, but normally I deadass had like 15 people who would be trying to get in the party at all times. It was great. We would always be running a full 8-man bird, and usually a full Blackhawk if we're in Blackhawks.
Damn.
70 plays with me a lot. Yeah.
Oh, I missed the black eye.
Me too. So honestly, from day one in this game that they have released helicopters, like in the early playtest days, I would get on the weekends, and I would play. Get on, come on, get in. And fucking Saturdays, waiting for him. There he is. He's getting on. I gotta leave.
Oh, fuck. Oh, be careful. Near you.
Where's that? Looking. Here.
Under us.
Oh my god.
Hit him.
I got him. He was right here. Yeah.
Hit.
Okay, let's see his ass.
Done?
With an RPG, and you were in the Blackhawk, it would launch you like 50 yards the opposite direction. It was so much fun. Actually, you did. I'm super serious.
Yeah, you do. I think you do still get it, but it's not like.
Yeah, you do a tiny bit.
Yeah, you do get a tiny bit.
But that's honestly why I developed like that little drop-in, because if they hit you in the belly, as long as you were facing the belly down, it would just push you back away from them. It was amazing. Push you halfway back to your spawn. We're dropping in on Bravo. Oh my god, I loved, for the first, like, 3 months at least.
Hey, can I get some ammo for rockets? Ammo for rockets.
I got you, we'll run it back.
Yeah, thanks, boss. Listen, Jamal, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm imagining some fucking American guy with a long-ass beard smoking one of those big-ass fucking cigars. The whole room is just covered in smoke and he's at his PC playing Battlebit.
And you missed, my wife is yelling at me the whole time I'm doing it, because I'm too loud.
Holy beast. Holy... You are my inspiration, dude. You are my inspiration.
We're taking one more ball. Just for you. Just for you.
He's gonna rip a bong.
That was a good one.
You good, dude?
Good.
You good, dude?
I'm good.
Yeah, that was just sad. Turn around. Oh my god. Holy shit. Yeah, that was a lot.
Alright, we gotta go back to Foxtrot.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I'm sorry, I'm still dying. I'm still coughing. That was... Oh. Alright, here we go. Look at Foxtrot roof.
Ah, white hit marker.
Perfect. Oh my god, look at that shit.
Oh yeah, I like that landing.
Closer without smacking the fucking roof.
Got him.
They're down.
Ah, bless America.
That's what I'm talking about. Nice shots. Also, if you didn't know, a lot of people still don't know. If you shoot BTRs and tanks right in the engine plate, they take double damage.
Yeah, I know that. I'm a pilot, for fuck's sake.
Whoa. Whoa.
This shit ain't nothing to me, man.
Tech support usually doesn't know all the ticks and trips, you know?
Yeah.
You
We smoking runs in the little bird.
Simmer down.
We smoking runs in the little bird.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much Tylenol do you think your mom took while she was pregnant with you? Be honest with me.
That does not exist in Serbia.
It doesn't what?
Yeah, it doesn't exist in Serbia.
Nah, you had to be getting your hands on it.
Nah, we do not. I did not consume Tylenol. Tylenol. That shit hit like JFK, bro. That shit hit like JFK.
Now that one just doesn't even make sense.
Nice.
Nobody does Tylenol like I do Tylenol. We have the best Tylenol. You wouldn't know Tylenol if it looked you in the eye.
I'm gonna call it the big beautiful Tylenol. Big beautiful Tylenol. The big two.
Cool. Like that. It's not. No, Tylenol took your...
They took away my little bird. First it came for me. Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, it was good, man. Fuck, man, I like that coleslaw guy. I like that coleslaw. Look at you, you're floating! You're floating, dude.
Captain Planet. You gotta go look up Captain Planet, and then when they fucking put their rings together, that's you guys charging up together.
Yeah. That's us, literally. What? We got one rocket on Charlie.
Oh, no.
Yam beater, can you get him? Ah, fuck, I missed. Yeah, we ate it.
They're mad at us everywhere. Enemy tank.
Yeah! Half a minute remaining, let's go rush into them suicidally. Fuck that tank, let's go rush into him suicidally. You fucking wizard! I hate your fucking tail! I hit the tail of your fucking Blackhawk, I was gonna shoot the fucking helicopter, the tank. That was definitely intentional.
I'm surprised we didn't get it while we were back there.
Yeah.
We got 9 seconds.
Fuck.
We were too busy bringing in all
There we go, we're done. No, sir. We must redeem C point. We must redeem C point. Wait, there's no C point.
Oh,
what? Wait,
I want
wait, what fucking...
one.
Oh, no, sir. No. Sir. No, sir. This is...
I need to destroy vehicle.
Who put Uaz tractor here? On F5 seat.
Eu inget sen video.
We go to C. Is with skibidi.
And then, let's go to E.
Go. Get up, go, fuck up.
Go to E.
Yes, I heard you, yes. Blah. Holy
Very
shit.
good job. Let's play.
I'm sorry why you follow me. Very good. Oh shit. Go. Fuck. Oh shit, that was actually pretty good. I like that. Meow.